Welcome to PolyU family.
Thank you for choosing to come to PolyU to pursue your study. The university's motto is to learn and to apply for the benefit of mankind. So the motto gives a very strong emphasis on how what we do will benefit society. And this is the gene in the education at PolyU. I think if your work benefits the society, you will have a more meaningful life. We want our graduates to be drivers and leaders of innovation with direct societal benefit. We want to embed the spirit of innovation in everything we do at PolyU.
Don't worry about the vague future. Just strive for the clear present. Please cherish and fully enjoy the wonderful time at the university at PolyU, where you have infinite space, endless possibilities to pursue, to enjoy, and achieve what you are desiring.
University is a journey of exploration and growth, and every experience, whether it's a success or a challenge, contributes to your development. Embrace the diversity on campus, and you will find yourself growing in ways you never imagined.
Don't set limits for yourself, academically, socially, or in every aspect of your life. PolyU has so much to offer, and it's up to you to take full advantage of it.